This is part 7 for the tutorial for assignment 3-1. In this tutorial, you're going to create and format a bulleted list. The first thing you need to do is to move your cursor to the left margin. You're going to type the heading homework. You can press the caps lock key on your keyboard, type the word homework, press the caps lock key again to turn off caps lock. Press enter and type the subject list. Highlight the heading by selecting it with your mouse and use the pop-up menu to make your selections. I'm going to make this word bold and I'm going to change the font size to 14. Now I'm going to select the subject list. And click on the bullet menu. This is your bullet button, and here's the drop down menu. I'm going to look for the hollow bullet. Now my bulleted list has a bullet point next to each item. Now I'm going to select the bullets only. And I'm going to format them. The first thing I'm going to do is to change their color to red. So I'm going up to my main menu, going up to the color button. I could click on the drop down menu to see all of the colors, but red happened to be there. So I'm going to choose red, and I'm also going to make them bold, and I can make them bigger also. Clicking on that drop down list, and I'll make them 18 points. And then I'll make them smaller. I'll change them to 12 points. This is just to get practice using the menu items. I'm going to open up the bullet menu again, and I'm going to click on Define New Bullet way at the bottom of the list. You have a lot of options to change the bullets to symbols or to pictures. If you click on the symbol button, you can see some of the symbols here. You can scroll through if you want, or you can change the menu by clicking on that drop down list and choosing one of these menus. We're not going to change our bullets to symbols. So I'm going to cancel out of that menu. I'm going to change these bullets to a picture. Now you have some options. If you already have a picture saved on a computer, you can choose this option from a file, and you can look for the picture that you have saved on your computer. I'm going to do a search for a picture. So in the search box, I'm going to type in the word pencil, press enter, and I'm going to choose one of these options as my bullet image. I think I'll choose this pencil. So I'll check that box and click on insert. And then click on OK. And my bullets are now pencils. You don't have to choose pencils. You can choose a different bullet, a different image for your bullet. Just make sure that when you submit the assignment, I'm able to see what the image is. You can make it larger than it appears on the screen, or you can make it smaller. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to save your work. This is part 8 for the tutorial for assignment 3-1. In this tutorial, you're going to move text into a text box and remove the line around the text box. The first thing you need to do is to insert the text box. Just as a review, we go up to the Insert menu, click on Shapes, and choose a text box. Draw the text box on your page. Then I'm going to select the text that I want to move into the text box. When you select text, you can select it from the bottom and go up, or from the top and go to the end. Now I'm going to grab my text and pull it into my text box. And then once I drag it, then I'm going to let go of the mouse and it should appear in the text box. Sometimes if you hold on to the mouse too long, the text will appear upside down. If that happens, just click on the handle and turn it right side up. Now I'm going to remove the line around the text box. I click on the line to select it. Then I'm going to click on Format and choose Shape Outline, and then choose No Outline. And the line disappears. This is the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to save your work.